why can't I swap on Phantom wallet? Now, if you are not being able to swap your cryptocurrency within Phantom wallet, there isn't only one reason. There could be many reasons. Now, first of all, like most blockchains, transactions on Ethereum-based, Polygon and Solana require transaction fees to be paid in the network's native token. And if you don't have enough of the native token to cover the fee, the transaction will fail. And here's what you'll need for each network. You will require Ethereum for fees, base, like it requires Ethereum for fees on the base network. Polygon also requires for fees and requires Solana for fees as well. Now, some of the problem could sometimes be a network congestion, so sometimes it can lead to failures. So after that, you can go ahead and view it. Sometimes it could be liquidity provider, because in some instances a swap may fail due to the recommended provider. In this scenario, you can select the provider option and then change the provider to another one on the list if you have. For EVM chains, however, you can use the 0x aggregator to fetch the best possible rates across multiple decentralized exchanges. And the next reason could also be slippage, because currently Phantom has a default slippage of 0.5%. This means that if the price of the swap differs by more than 0.5% from the presented price, the swap will fail to prevent you from losing value. The swap will also fail if the slippage range exceeds the quoted price you agreed upon when initiating the swap, and you can retry the swap after some time or enter a higher value of slippage manually. Some of the issues could also be frozen tokens, which refers to tokens that have been locked or restricted from being transferred or traded. Then this restriction is enforced through a feature known as freeze authority. Now, sometimes the swap also could be failing due to a malicious account, because if you are receiving an error stating that the swap failed due to a malicious account, this means the token you're trying to swap to is likely a scam token, so you might want to be careful on that as well. So I hope this video pretty much helped you find the answer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.